We are headed on a photo expedition up to the Snowy Range. I've got two other crazy guys. This is Matt and Greg. All right, they're still sleeping, I think. All right, let's go. Car's been sitting outside all night. As you can see the dotted lines on the regen. It's because the battery's cold. It's 39 degrees Fahrenheit here. So there's a little bit of regen, but not the normal. We're heading up to have a photo expedition on the top of Snowy Range. We're up here, it's this side of 7 a.m. Sun is behind us. This is a shot of those mountains that I usually look at. Wind's blowing a little, it's about 29 degrees this morning. Pretty cold. There's Matt. You all set with that big old camera?
We're getting there.
All right. We just got in the car. We've been standing outside for what, an hour? Probably better part of an hour here, taking pictures of the sun coming up here. And you'll probably have seen that by now here on the video. However, I've got two cold characters here. Is it cold enough for you, Matt?
Yeah.
How about you, Greg? Can you feel your fingers?
Nope. I didn't bring my photography gloves, but
Holy.
that's okay.
Oh, wow. Well.
Shots are in the camera.
Oh, good. Well, I got your seat on and its heat's on in here. We'll get this thing warmed up and get the chill out of you. All right. Well, I think we're going to head down the mountain. It says it's 36 degrees. Wind comes up here, so it's a little cooler, but anyway, I think we had a good photography mission, and you guys benefited from all the cool video. Matt's phone says it's 10,785 here. We're parked down the hill, as you can see here, from the very top, but it's still pretty tall here. All right, if you guys are ready, I'll let you put your camera away, and we'll head down the hill. I gotta tell you, this steering wheel sure feels nice. She's cold. Stay on the road, it'd be really good. And scenery here is just awesome. Where's the sun? I can't see it. Oh yeah, it's behind us. Just coming down from the snowy range. Hope you liked today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and click the like, and if you would, please subscribe. You know, I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.